Hi, welcome to the park. This is my office for the day. I want to show you a quick tutorial that was a lifesaver for me. My brother actually figured this out. I had this Induro AKB BH1 tripod for a while, and for months and months, maybe a year, I had not been able to get it to pivot down so I could take a landscape photograph. I could, tilt it a little bit, but it would just get stuck right about there, and I could not get it to move any further. I tried loosening this. I tried taking this screw out. I tried all sorts of things. I took the whole top off here, and just nothing was making a difference. And finally, my brother was able to shift it, rotate it enough to uncover this little bolt right here, which just uses an Allen head, which had come loose. And because it was loose, it was protruding more, and it was getting stuck right about there. So as far as how to get that uncovered, that's kind of the tricky part, just rotating it different ways, trying to not break it, but just get that moved as much as you can. But that, for me anyway, was the issue is that bolt's not being tight enough. So taking an Allen wrench, tightening that up, now it works like a charm. I had Googled this and seen different people describing different problems, but for me, this was the thing that was causing the issue. So I hope that's helpful to someone else because it was a lifesaver for me.